Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a quick and easy nail art tutorial featuring a stunning design. All you need are your gel polish and a brush, or if you prefer you can use a toothpick. With just this simple material you can create this beautiful design in no time. And guess what? It will only take 1 minute. Yes, you heard that right. 1 minute or even just seconds if you're quick. So apply first layer of gel polish to the entire nail, ensuring to cover every part without leaving any space untouched. Next, without curing first layer, apply the second color of gel polish in the middle of the nail, following the demonstration shown in the video frame. This step adds depth and dimension to the design, creating a beautiful contrast between two colors. This design is all about simplicity and ease, making it perfect for anyone looking to create gorgeous nail effortlessly. Once the gel polish is applied, take your brush or toothpick. As shown in the video, I am using a brush to create crisscross stroke in the middle of the nail. This stroke will form a heart shape with additional strokes on the side, adding to the overall design. You can adjust the number and size of the strokes based to your preference and nail length. Whether you choose to go for a full length, half length or diagonal design is entirely up to you. Once you have finished the design, apply a top coat evenly over the nail, then cure it under UV light for 30 seconds to seal and protect your design. Now take a moment to admire how beautiful the design has turned out. I encourage you to give it a try and share your results into the comment section below. If you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed creating this design, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on more videos like this. Thank you for watching and for your continued support. Keep creating and keep supporting.